Samgba, Farouk Ahmed, any the first interested party is the Sampa Traditional Council. But and I'm so one several mono, we could not sit on the case because I didn't own him the one crat anomono or be no kasa, oh hunun near or genasu akasa. And the court judge no every money or munina call in consultation no the Omakama Nakusi say was register and say on several or more yen several or mono no bian sankan in krata. Nyame aduma on the 7th of April, na yasen aba na two motions ni nyina omudi abedan court say court emma omontwentwen order na wodi ama won a protocol your friend no stay of execution no court ma omonyai na yenka appeal asem no wie no nyame aduma on the 7th of April no ye betena so na judge no ahwe say wodi be ma won ana obebo to agu ti nyame aduma 7th no ye besen aba court biom na yaba be
before so be kono musa I say yedi kan ba ya na court e ma beriti ni we na ye twen say 21 days ni e be so na ka ya gazette na ye CV ni be ko ni ya gazette na bet eno ni nyante hu bi bia adorma eno so wan se makosi
ye da say eno na ye di call ya omo twen ya ma 21 days no elapse on the 28th until on the 3rd you know and omo be file appeal against the judgment of the high court and then omo call so filing your friend stay of execution after eno no and ye ba court ene enti eno no so no omo violate mra no enti say ya nana ni the lawyers are starting your friend contempt processes ya file yini bi ya serve binom aka nipa ba ko a eye Dormaahene na no ye ko ho se omo ko serve no na Bailiff no ma yeti ase se ne machofu a omo wo ne ho no Bailiff ne ko ye no omo trati Bailiff no se omo pe omo nkwade a emo nwura ho Bailiff no so no omo ye mranimfo enti omo jaaye enti Bailiff no edi ne report aba back enti nyame ya adom na sambre ne duru ye back na judge ne hwe ne Bailiff ne twere ye na obema ye kwan foforo a ye befa so a ye de be serve no ti say we in the process of serving for court to start the processes.
Dormaahene bodyguards and warning Bailiff some of them. Can I say a threat on them?
Yeah, it was a threat. Buno regional house of chiefs one no mo ko eso mo ko serve omo and omo order omo issues are threat no and omo retrieve ye e ba ye to return the report back to the court the ohuno ye we carry back to the court enti nyame ya adoma court obehwe mo ohuna there are other ways omo betimi afa so ama ya serve wo
is it not affront to our democracy say a high court judge or no mra no be here no name mo abeg judge na be here mra na be there dey be say na no court for issue say bodyguards air threat say
no correct but I don't see anything more threat than a judge na nkasa betena nipa mo no waka say court ka asem amindi so waka da wa bie na no waka enti obi a waka say court di asem mindi so a wono no ye judge no no yes ene macho man omo di na chi di omo nfi amra de so betimi ai bibia enti say macho man for a threat say obi ba ye beku no obusu afre omo judge na omo di na chi a ono ni mra a wono ka say court ka asem a wondi so ono ne ye no mo su afre no
lemon idea e be ka say court ntimi issue ni warrant en fa nkwate en na Dormaahene because wo ku ne mra bi so
ye wo ekwan bebre wo ha na mekan ye wo kwan bebre a wo ha ye be fa so a ye be sebo enti mere pa mo no nyame bem court bem tre direction no beja ama menua na wato aso na medina na
the argument that you are advancing right now that probably there's nobody is clear. We are making it clear to the people of this country that nobody is above the law. And as long as nobody is above the law, whenever there's a contempt, we believe that when Dormaahene decides for contempt, not will be an answer almost a contempt in the this nation will grant to a halt. The other point is this is Asante nation, this is Asante mine, and nobody can demand the authority of Asante mine. Nobody can demand the authority of Asante mine. Clearly, we came to the court, and of course, said within 21 days. After the 21 days, Monfa document in Enko, Buapayo, Manfanko, Omutin transfer, 21 days nearby. So clear, Mimimra. But however, where I sit and what I understand and what I know, say, Dormaahene will be cited for contempt. And cited for contempt, then the political class of this country may decide, say, the country will come to a halt because we are saying, say, Obia anyone or change to me. We must respect the law at all times. Today, President Mahama is the president of this country because Imran Amana president. And I'm going to be a president. Today, Samgba Gyafla is the Dormaahene and overall Sampa traditional country because Imran. But Amanphobia, I will say, oh my, say, oh my, yes, I decided him. And they are, that time and again, they are misbehaving. They are not misbehaving, but they are misbehaving for their own parochial interest. It's not law. And there's nothing like Bonomine. Anyone, that is why we are saying in 1957, now you need to for litigating, Brunifita, Brunikoko, and Eden, a ruling on the matter that assassinate one there. The assassin belongs to the people of Sampa. And the Sampa is an independent nation within the Bono region. And for that matter, don't sit down there and behave. Say, oh, to me, you need to me be. He's misleading the people, and he keep on misleading the people, and you are telling the political class, Mr. President Mahama, Dormaahene is your friend. He's your friend. We know. But we have no problem. So we have a down for. But however, he's misbehaving. Call him to order with a greater respect. Call him to order. Of course, because he for preoccupy. Of course, into another for preoccupy. Any demon who brasimo boom. He is a lawyer. He is a judge. And also your mind, he keep on making some pronouncement, which is undignifiable. It's unacceptable. You don't do that. We are mind him preoccupy. Is this the manner and the way you have to speak? You don't have to speak in this manner. You understand what I'm saying? And that is why we are calling on reasonable people. We are calling on women of substance and men of conscience within this country. That look, the way what the man is doing is becoming unbecoming. It's important that people call him to order. Say no your time. Jai, because Sampa is a Santimai and a Santimai is Sampa. The ruling, no matter what they do, that's why I kept on saying that they are not prepared to pursue the matter. They are prepared to delay the matter. But however, no matter what they do, to let Samgba Gyafla is the overlord of Sampa Traditional Council. And nobody can overturn the ruling of a Santimai. It's a fact. And no political authority. No political authority. I say so, no political authority. So if you sit down there and someone, look, let me tell you, there's this Dormaahene that they claim that he is a member of the Council of State. Who is a Council of State member? Who are you? You only play an advisory role. Now we are white. And force. So when you go out there and you mislead your people, that look, I am a member of the Council of State. I'm going to speak to President Mahama to overturn the decision of Satima. It's a false narrative. And for that matter, it's not going to happen today. And it's important that the people of Bundo, Akwabua, you are the regional minister. You are part of Dormaahene, and you are part of the Nana Dormaahene scheme. You the regional minister. Come on, I'm telling you authority. Are you protecting the interests of the Ghanaian people? And now you are protecting the interests of an individual?
Is it there to do the business of
I told you the other time that he's doing there to doing the bidding of Dormaahene, and that's what he's doing. We are calling on national security and Mr. President Mahama that look, the guy that you appointed to serve your interests, he's misbehaving. Call him to order. Call him to order. That's why we are saying they are not prepared to pursue the matter. They are prepared to delay the matter. And they are faking up. There's nothing to be discussed and there's nothing to be talked about. The ruling has been given and to let Samgba Gyafla is the overlord. And nothing will change. And nothing will change. Of course, if you come or if you don't come, what you are saying sir, is deliberate. Of course, they came there. I think when I saw Lawyer Tian and Co there, the former AG, under the MPP regime, he was there. And I'm saying that nothing will happen, nothing will change. And for that matter, to let Samgba Gyafla is the overlord. You come back on the 7th of April and then to see the outcome of what the court is going to tell us. But near can say to let Samgba Gyafla near Sampa Mahene. And Dormaahene should know. The last time he was there, saying Sampa Suma is a disgrace to himself. And those comments and the commentary that he keeps on giving on at time. He knows he's a learned person. And then he must know we can't allow the attack and I cut the land at 10:36. Why not as here in India? He should read the land act and find out and come to tell the people of this country, say, as I say, some as here one there, Doma for there, and I Sampa for there, and I Suma for there. On one date, and another Sampa is a Doma, Suma, in Krasi, because Dormaahene and Prodigy out in a Koba, or misbehaving, he keep on misbehaving. Dabenas, I Sampa Bay Suma. He must sit up and he must ensure that he speaks without due respect. He speaks sense.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.